What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvacroddy, and I'm on call, and let's hope I don't break nothing.
How you feeling today? I'm just riding my way to wherever it takes me. Teas in my taste. Can you picture a place where there's peace and grace? I leave the blueprints on my steps you can trace.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvac. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with weekly videos every Thursday. Back to you, Roddy. What's up, everybody? Today's Saturday. I'm on call, so you gotta work on the weekends when that stuff happens. Right now, I just gotta go change the condenser fan motor. Hopefully, that's the only thing I gotta do today. Fingers crossed. But if not, who knows what else can happen. It doesn't really think it's gonna be hot outside. I think the highest is 73, so I might not even have any more calls after this. Just depending on how the weather acts. But we head into the house to fix the condenser fan motor. Saturday morning, the sun's not really up. So it's a nice breeze also. So hopefully I don't sweat and just melt outside. So we're going to go ahead and get there and let's get this started, boys. All right, so we at the house. Here's the fan motor. I was here yesterday. Took everything off already with the motor wise. Has this big cage on it, which is funny, but we're in Atlanta. So when you live in Atlanta, you probably got to cage up your system. That's the sad thing. But yeah, we on that. That's the blade in there. Take the top off. And yeah, let's go grab some tools and get started. Alright, so we got the top off. Let's sit that right there. Here's the blade. Everything else. We're gonna start with the blade first. Get that bad boy on there. Hook that up. Now we got everything up. Let's set this bad boy on there. Gently, of course. Alright, so it turns out my phone died, so I had to leave it in the car for a bit, 15 minutes. So I got kind of rush this up. So basically all I finished up, put the motor back down in there, hook the wires back up, and now we're waiting for it to play, and boom, there we go. Oh man, got that bad boy working. Wasn't really that challenging, just a long labor work, but we good.